newest addition to our Mountainview Harley custom collection. This one here is a 2023 Fat Boy in bright billiard blue, brand new color this year. We wanted to get away from the traditional ape hangers, so we threw a set of 12-inch Buffalo T-bars with some get a grip grips at it. We also added some run white LED lights on the front that flash amber, just to make it a little brighter. This bike here also has a very unique set of exhaust. It is called Dr Jekill Mr Hyde, and it runs a baffle in here with sound control. If you want to be quiet, gets a lot louder. Come down, check this thing out, take it for a test ride. Who knows, might be your next bike.